Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the license and choosing the exact font file to use. Once you have TTF or WAF, either install it on your system or put it into your project's fonts folder. This makes it accessible to your build. Next, create or update the manifest or at font face rule so the browser or app can load the font file. Make sure file names match and casing is correct because mismatches cause silent failures. Now you write the @font face block and specify font family and SRC pointing to the deployed file. Use format, WAF2 or format, TrueType, to help rendering engines pick the right face. Once done, set font display, swap to avoid invisible text, and then apply the new font family to body or specific components. Test in a private window and on mobile. If you still see system font, check console network requests to verify the file served correctly. Finish by optimizing delivery. Preload critical fonts and include them in your build so caching works reliably. Make sure your server serves the font files with correct MIME types and CORS headers, because mismatched headers are a common cause of loading failures. If text still falls back, double-check the font family name and fallback stack in your styles. Sometimes the family name inside the font file differs from the file name. If issues persist, inspect network responses and console errors for clues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.